Hey everybody, sorry about that. I had to get a taste of my Mountain Dew because I have this cough that I can't get rid of, and no, it's not the virus. But welcome. Glad to have you here. Time for another video. Really excited. Gonna end up doing a couple today, but this is the first one. I wanted to go over some wins that our team has been having recently. They're absolutely crushing it as I'm enjoying a beautiful day in the Chicago area. So let me get some of the particulars out of the way. I've been making money online for 22 years, the last 5 years as a Forex trader for I Am Mastery Academy. I've seen every home business opportunity there has been in the last 22 years. Many I tried, many I succeeded, some I failed. This is by far the best opportunity. I knew nothing about trading Forex, absolutely nothing. And now I'm helping students crush the markets by two simple strategies, two setups on a strategy that we teach that's helping people change their future. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. If you got questions, scroll below and you can post questions once you see this video posted. If you are not a subscriber and you found this video, please subscribe. Okay, and you get notification. Hit that bell. You get notifications when I post another video, and become a team member. If you are interested in learning how to trade currencies, please reach me at Jeff Casmer at Facebook at Jeff Casmer. Okay, and this is my page. Send me a friend request, and what I will do is I will add you to a 7-day free trial where you can sit on our shoulders and watch 5 webinars, right, from 6- and 7-figure traders, help our customers, our team, which is one of the largest teams in the company, learn these setups. And you think, oh my God, it's something to learn. I don't want to do that. Well, guess what? Guess what? You know what? There's all kinds of Forex companies. There's all kinds of, here, let me sign up for this trading group where they just give me trades. You're right. Some good, some bad. But what happens if you actually learn a strategy where you don't need any of that and you can set yourself free and not be dependent on anybody else? Think about that. So send me a friend request. I'll get you into a 7-day free trial, okay? So today, it is results day. I wanted to kind of update people on results. Now, perfectly honest, I actually recorded this this video already, and this is my second time doing it. Part of the reason is because I got a couple messages of people trying to get me to open images. So I believe a couple of my friends' accounts for Facebook were hacked. So I had to close the video and try to reach out to them and get them unhacked, so to speak. So anyway, so this is our Discord channel, and this is our wins section where we list wins for our team, okay? And prior to when I was doing this video for the first time, there was over 20 wins that were posted just in the last 24 hours. And there's tons of other wins, just not everybody posts. But I wanted to show you some of these wins that people are posting. Some new customers, some existing customers, some that have been around a while, etc. And it's just absolutely fantastic. I'm telling you, reach me to get inside our 7-day free trial so you could see what we're all about, see what type of strategy, and you will want to get on board because I'm going to help you change your financial future. See? Okay, so this is Paul. This is a CJC move. This is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and this is a 1-to-5 ratio. And we work off of kind of a box strategy. It's called a banker strategy, where we look for a box. Obviously, a break of structure here. He took the trade down here, and it shot up for 1-to-5. Absolutely fantastic. So this could have been less than 1-to-5. It could have just gone here and then started to consolidate again. But it busted through BOS, break of structure, and he got 1-to-5 when it could have been just 1-to-3. Either way, winning trade. Stuart here got a nice 1-to-3. Let's check that out real quick. He got that on the Euro Australian dollar. Okay. And here's our little box, right? Kind of played down here. And then went, kind of revisited the area and then dropped. Okay. And this is on the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart. So a nice 1-to-3. Nice job, Stuart. And let me scroll up. David, this is one of the people that I brought into the company. That's one of the most successful people on our team. And this is US 30, and he absolutely crushed it, right? So we always recommend that if you are a fairly new customer, all right, that you don't trade indices with our strategy until you master the strategy, right? Just because there's such volatility. But he absolutely crushed this one. And depending on the lot size, he just made a lot of money. I mean, a lot of money, right? because he got in around 34,617, so to speak, and it went to 34.8. Oh my goodness, tons. Okay. He is absolutely crushing it. Fantastic, David. Nice work. All right, let me kind of scroll up some more. Julian took a 1 to 3. All right, 1 to 3. And Kate, who often posts here, a 1 to 5 on Eurochef. That's absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. And see, here's one of the things that I need to do a video about is patience. Look at this. So it retested here, right? This is a 15-minute chart. I know it might be hard to see. A lot of people would have probably already gotten out of here, moved their stop loss here. But if you're patient, right, you can play off the retest, and it just went through the roof. Went through the roof. Absolutely fantastic, Kate. Nice job. Kate's got another one. 1 to 5, signature pattern, right? Absolutely awesome on the U.S. Canadian dollar. Here's our little banker's box that we look for, okay? Took the trade right about here is what it looks like. Kind of went down. Now here's patience again. Look, now this is tremendous patience, right? Or you could have taken a double entry here. She could have taken an entry here, maybe closed out for profit. Then it came back up and revisited this area, right? Right around entry. And then boom, dropped again. So she could have had a trailer. She could have had multiple entries. She could have had one entry and was extremely patient, right? And not panicked and then got the bigger move. Absolutely fantastic, Kate. And Carlos, who's fairly new, another win, feeling happy, but still learning. Nice job, Carlos. Troy got a 1 to 3. Brian with a win. Stefan, importance of padding stop loss, actually went higher than wick before dropping, managed to stay in there, right? Patience, patience. James with a win. Danae, 1 to 4. Okay. Let's pull that one up real quick. And Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Took the trade up here. Look at that drop. And then was patient. Look at the patience here, right? It just kept retest, 15-minute chart. So like an hour and a half, it would go back up and then come back down. And then just kept getting lower highs. Look at that. And just was really, really patient. So absolutely fantastic. Okay? Absolutely wonderful. So well done. And of course, you can continue to scroll 1 to 4 on a CAD JPY for James. Julian, very thankful to our team. John, 1 to 10. Look at this one. Look at this one. 1 to 10, right? Absolutely fantastic, right? Probably got in here, down, up, 15-minute chart, patience, and just absolutely crushed it. And this is on the S&P 500. So this is another indice which we recommend. Obviously, having a bigger account and make sure your strategy is mastered, okay? But you can absolutely make a killing. And just, you can just, okay, and here is another person that I brought into the company, and he is working on the FTMO challenge, meaning he wants to get funded by 6- and 7-figure traders, and he'll be trading with their money and get a high percentage of the profit, but you have to show that you're a good trader. Right? So he absolutely crushed this one. And an AUD USD, like 1 to 9 is what it looks like. Somewhere around there. Absolutely fantastic. Well done, Aaron. And he's somebody else I brought into the company. And of course, if you just continue to scroll, these are the success stories. And this is all within the last few days. And it just keeps going and going and going and going and going. Okay? So I wanted to give you an update on our wins. It just continues. We're so consistent in what we provide our team. It's a reason why, if you have any interest in trading the currencies, the strategy works on currencies, Forex pairs, indices, gold, stocks, the strategy works. You got to get in. You got to reach me at Facebook, okay? Reach me at Facebook at Jeff Kasmer, all right? And I will get you into a 7-day free trial. And in fact, most people actually jump on board after they see the first webinar. They don't even wait till the end of the week. They just want to get in. And of course, you can free to use the entire week to get in. Or you can choose, it's not for me, go our separate ways as friends. No biggie, right? But not to take a peek at it could be costing you a lot of money and changing your financial future, right? Are you that person that has tried this home business, this opportunity, blah, 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 scam here. I try to get signals, blah, 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 okay? You have a resource right in front of you. All you have to do is walk through the door. And as an extra benefit, if you decide to go through the free trial through me, and you join our team, I have a trading chat group where I give trade ideas. Okay, and starting before this week started, we were 68-11. Okay, excuse me as my cough is about to return. 68 wins, 11 losses. But the risk to reward, absolutely fantastic. Okay, so people are making money while they learn the strategy. Or you could be one of those quick people that picks it up right away, which is perfect, right? We want you to demo trade it first. We have a trade block. All the things we do is to help you become successful. And once you master that strategy, you're off and running. Okay? Hey, that's it. That's my video for today. I want to thank everybody for joining. Remember, my thing is going off, so we'll just say here, you can reach me on Facebook. And I will get you into a 7-day trial. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. If you want to subscribe, boom, hit below. If you have any questions or how to reach me, right below. I'm always available 24/7. Thank you, guys, and have a great day.